Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Brian from SurfGuru with your Wipeout Wednesday and Thursday surf report. Hey, I'm looking out there today this Wednesday, and there's still some fun-sized waves out there, thigh to waist, maybe a couple lucky bigger sets in the right spots, coming in at around 8 seconds from the east northeast. Now, south winds are going to be keeping things sort of clean this morning, but turning offshore by the afternoon, cleaning things up a little more, but probably dropping off the surf a touch. For Turkey Day, we're going to have the surf dropping off just a bit. Looks like it's going to be still east-northeast at about 8 seconds, and we're going to have gentle north winds for most of the day. Should be pretty clean, but again, a little smaller. Looking ahead, surf is going to drop off a little more for Black Friday, and then we have a low that might kick up a little wind swell, north wind swell for us for this weekend. So no Black Friday lines for me. I'll be back on Friday morning to let you guys know what I see for this weekend. And until then, be sure to check out those cams. That's the best way to know what's going on in your favorite spot. I am trying my best to knock out the Sebastian Inlet and Jacksonville cams and get those back up and running, but just timing has been bad for me this week with everything going on. So anyway, I'll try to knock those out hopefully early next week. I've got that second surgery coming up on Wednesday of next week where they kind of messed up and got to go back in and get the right side. So I'll try to get all that going before then. And wish me luck on everything. And hey, everybody, have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy the time with your family and friends. And thanks again for checking out SurfGuru.